transition. Parting wild horse's mane. Hey, what's going on? Coach D here, and Happy New Year. Welcome back to Tai Chi 24 form. We're picking up where we left off on our last class, which was opening and parting wild horse's mane. We worked on a few steps on four corners just to get our footwork ready. But now we're going to go with the form and transition into the next movement, which is going to be white stork spreads its wings. All right, so let's get to it. So first we transition from our opening. We parted wild horse's mane. And this is our last step after we've done our parting wild horse's mane. From here, we turn our body to the left as we take a half step up, turning our left palm face down. As we do, we then reach under our left palm with our right hand, palm facing up. So again, after you finish parting the wild horse's mane, turn your body to the left, putting the weight onto the front leg. Palm faces down. As you take a half step up, turn the right palm up and reach past the left hand. And you're looking at the left hand. From here, turn your body to the right. Replace the weight onto the back foot. Separate the hands with the left going down, and then look at the right hand going up towards the forehead and temple, and turning your body back to the left. Forward again and look straight. So reviewing what we did last time, we have opening. We sink in, open up the hip, connect to the earth here. Square up the body, center and ground yourself. Sink and lift. Palms down and open. From here, we're going into parting wild horse's mane. First we gather, first we pull to the right, turn to the left, part the wild horse's mane. Again, I'll do this facing you so you can see this here. After we finish parting wild horse's mane, turn. Replace the weight to the right. Separate. Open. So that is White Stork spreads wings, transitioning off of Parting Wild Horse's mane. Next will be the transition from White Stork spreads wings into brush knee, wind blows lotus leaf. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace. So, parting, wild horse's mane, White Stork spreads wings. Transition, brush knee.